Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City. I'm here to show you this Cascade by Forest River. It is a pre-owned piece of inventory here at Guaranty. It's a 2017 264 CK. And it actually has bunks and a nice bedroom in it. It's a pretty cool layout. It's got a lot of great storage spots in it. And I'll show you that. Before we go inside, let's walk around the outside a little bit. You're gonna have a power tongue jack on the front, your propane location up front, and your battery storage. You can see the slide out here on this side. It does have an outdoor shower on the other side behind that slide out there. It also has a rear rack on it actually that folds down, allows you to have cargo on the back. You can put bikes or a little firewood or your cooler, whatever you want. I want to show you this front pass-through bay. There's plenty of storage on this guy. That goes all the way through there. It's a 264 CK. It does have outdoor speakers. It does have a power awning that's pretty good size. If you notice, it's also double door as well. That door goes into your bedroom up in the front, and then you have the back door here that goes into the main living area. You can jump back here real quick. So I kind of want to show you the back of this unit. It does have that fold down rack I was talking about. Fold that down, a little extension on there, a little more storage. This also has a little storage area here that does have a little outdoor storage. Not a ton of space there. It also comes with a fridge though, which is pretty cool. A little mini fridge. And it does have a lend-a-hand handle as you jump inside the unit. We do kind of have it kind of tight, parked close, but let's jump inside. As you make your way inside this unit, you can see it's pretty spacious and open. You're going to have your couch, your dinette. That's a nice wraparound big booth type dinette. Fridge, kitchen area, decent nice hydrofoil countertops. Glass top here to be able to have a little more counter space when you're not using your stove. Your TV is right across from the couch, which I kind of like that floor plan myself. A little more comfortable. One thing I want to show you right when you walk in this unit is a big closet right here with hooks to hang stuff. You use it as a big pantry, lots of storage. That's a pretty good sized deep closet. The other thing in the back here is your beds. You should point those out as you kind of make your way around. There's going to be your beds in the back that are full size, big enough for adults or adult children. Nice bathroom. The bathroom I like on this in particular because it has a lot of natural light. It's got the skylight up top and it's got the big window on the side. So lots of room in there and or light. As you make your way up to the front of this unit, you got the bedroom. And your bedroom has that door and also has storage all the way around, which is pretty good. And you have your closet on either side. They're nice deep well closets. Lots of storage in this unit. This does have LED lighting. It's very open and airy and light and nice in this unit. At any rate, if you want to talk anything out here at Guaranty, my name is Kirk.Blair. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Please get a hold of me. Any questions of pre-owned inventory or new inventory? I appreciate it and hope you have a great day.